Good morning. This is Joyce Greene coming from church. I tell you, today is the 5th day of January. So this is my 5th video. Well, guys, just for whoever have not been on my channel, just videos about focus. Focus brings to you what you want. So my focus for the 2020 challenge is sharing my health and wellness and sharing my my no-till garden and sharing my family tree. Now, the focus for sharing my health and wellness is to help people live longer without pain. I was in horrible pain when I was 54, and now I'm almost 70. I don't have any pain. I'm so excited, and I want everybody to do the same. And as far as my no-till garden, you should grow your own food so you can get the nutrition out. Because the grocery stores and the commercial producers only sell what they can make look good. They won't sell the other variety, so you never get the chance to taste it. And your family tree is all about family. So, guys, I will check you out tomorrow, but focus on what you want. This is what I want, and I'm going to bring it to me this year. This is Joyce Greene. Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.